Today is June 23rd, and I'm hiking Piestewa Peak right now. This is my 4th time hiking it. Do you see the sky? It's so beautiful right now. I can't believe it. Today I'm working from home, and that means I get to come walk because I don't have to get dressed and go to work. It's 73 degrees outside, and it feels so good. It's kind of breezy, and life is good.
I want to be happy. Find a man with an old name.
This is so unreal. What is my life right now?
And get over how my dog is my best friend. And he doesn't even know what my name is. Johnny, did you ever love me? Johnny, help me figure it out. Not that I've paid attention, but you haven't said it out loud. Johnny, do you see what you're doing? What you're making me think about? This wasn't supposed to be a love song, but I guess it is now. Johnny, maybe you'll never hear this, or maybe it's stuck in your head. Well, I hope it makes you cry. Johnny, did you ever love me? Johnny, help me figure it out. Not that I've paid attention, but you haven't said it out loud. Johnny, do you see what you're doing?
I just wanted to let you know that I'm lost in the desert again.
Think about
I'll find my way back, but
this wasn't supposed to be
I'm not really on a trail anymore.
a song,
Kind of, but I don't know where it
but
goes.
I guess it is now, isn't it?